Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Friday, so we are going to be doing the Budget Mom Money Challenge or the Cash Envelope Challenge for January. Now if you are unfamiliar about the challenge that we are doing every single Friday in January, I'm going to link the Budget Mom's videos down below. She is amazing. Go and support her. And I'm just going to tell you just a little brief details about the January challenge. So the January challenge is simply you just choose a 5-letter word. Our 5-letter word that one of my subscribers has chosen was faith. Now faith has 5 letters, F-A-I-T-H, and you take the letters from the word and then you correspond with the numbers, and the number equals to how much money you're going to be putting every single week. Now, if you hear something in the background, that's just Dobby, my cute little corgi, just hanging out with me. But anyways, so you will get the amount, and then at the end, we do this every single Friday in January. And at the end, it just really varies about how much money you will be saving. So for instance, Jolly, J is $10, O is 15, L is 12, L is 12, and Y is 25, which equals to $74. Now, ours is Faith, which is lower letters. It's closer to the front, so that means that it's going to be a lower amount. So F and A, so it was $6 and $1. And then this week, we are going to be doing I. So if you're not familiar, just go find I. And then the corresponding number is 9. So we are going to be putting $9 in. Now let's get the money going. So I have a $10 bill. So we are going to be taking $1 out. And we are going to count it. So we have 10, 15, and 16. So $16. So we have a total of $16. So let's see, 6, 7, and then 16. So $16 is how much we have right now. And we still have 2 more weeks to complete this challenge. And just come back every single Friday and we will do it. But anyways, I love you guys. This is short, sweet, to the point. I try to talk as much as possible just to make it a little bit more of a lengthy video. But like I said, subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what your word is this month. And let me know if you are excited about next month's challenge, which I have not posted about it yet. But I will soon, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. And also, tell your friends about me. I would absolutely love to get to know every single one of y'all. I would love to grow this channel because I love helping people, giving people advice, making new friends on here. So tell your friends, tell your co-workers, tell your family, tell them to go and subscribe to Thrifty Asian. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways, I love you guys and I hope y'all have a great weekend. Anyways, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye.